So hi guys, it's me and I'm just doing a tutorial on how to make fake nails. So yeah, let's get started. Now the first thing you need is paper and a clear tape and scissors. To start, you will be cutting out tape that is the same size as your nail. So the first the thumb and you could do the other ones. And then I'm just gonna go into round it. It's going to be rounding. I'm gonna love this round. Then I'm just gonna need to get paper. This paper. As you can see. And I'm just gonna need to like that. So that I would have a room where to put my nail. I mean the paper. And then you're just going to need to take it off. So this one. And then I'm just going to cut it off. The sides that overlaps. Okay. So once you're done, so it should look like this. So thank you for